There's like 10 straight open.
Oh boy!
Oh boy!
Oh boy!
Oh boy! Are you recording?
Choo-choo!
Over to our left here we have the turkey vulture.
Oh my god!
As we approach
Whoa!
the desert land, we have the Angora goat, the Navajo sheep.
Well, goats,
Desert
goats.
people use them for
Goats?
food.
Oh!
Sheep food.
Sheep! Oh, it's gonna get me. I feel like caught out in the middle of the ride. Over here's like, bye. Oh, there's a slide! I wanna go! Hello!
Over to our right we have the rough-legged hawk. On our left we have the adventure
Oh, that
man,
girl's
where you can ride a
banging.
turtle,
Robert!
ride a spider, or
Hey!
wrestle with an alligator.
Hello!
Over to the right, we have the discussion. We're going to be putting animals in here.
I will get you! I will kill you!
Hello! I'm like filming everybody. Hello! 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 Andrew! Kevin's a queer! Hello! Hello! Just go a whole circle.
Over our left we have our mining town and an old mine.
Oh! Oh, mining town! Okay, mining town! Ah, damn it!
On the left and right, we have the American bison. The American bison is way up to 2,000 pounds. Round up to 30 miles an hour.
Hey, Jarrell!
That was the best chance. Why are they keeping a bird in a...
Feel free to hoop and holler inside the tunnel.
I'm scared!
Here we have the covered wagon, loading up freight to leave going west out of Fort Woody.
Nobody cares.
This is Fort Woody. This is where we keep the train
This
at
is a
night.
zoo, not a story place. Even Lagoon doesn't do it. Oh, reach for it. Reach for the sky.
Over here we have the left. We have Boot Hill.
The
Some of the
left.
headstones have still got to be put up yet. Also over here to the left, we're on the back side of the mining town. We're going over the mine as we speak right now.
Oh no! Oh! Going over mine.
Thank you for
Oh,
riding
no.
the Safari Express.
Oh my
Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop.
That's
the
it?
north exit to the left. Thank you and have a wonderful day here at Ogle Zoo.
You too! This train lasted only 3 minutes.
Hey guys, if we go away, Jackson will ask her.
Okay. And look, we're back.
Are you
Oh,
kidding?
there's Allie. Bye bye. That's a wild animal.